Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today's topic is call span and row span in TH and TD tag in HTML. So let's see how do you put these two attributes in HTML. See, this is our table and in this table I am applying row span and call span. Okay, so first see the notepad document. This is the notepad document for this table, and for table creation HTML code already I have uploaded in YouTube, and the video link I am sharing in description box. You can see by a click. Okay, so see, this is the table coding, and this is the table tag, and within this table tag this first row. Okay, and in this first row this is the th, that means table heading, and in this table heading I am applying at first the call span. Call span means using call span we can I am applying here this the first cell of this table. Using call span we can cover this column of two cells. Okay, that means we can expand this column up to here. According to our table, first column is the table ID and second column is first column is the product ID and second column is the product name. Okay, instead of these cells I am writing the product details. So product ID and product name all are in product details. Only one cell I will use, and one cell expand up to here. So one cell cover these two cells, these two columns, that is the call span. Using call span, we can cover the number of columns. So let's see how do you put it. So this is the first heading, the product ID, and in this heading tag, th tag, I am writing call span and equals to two columns I want to cover. So we have to specify the two according to the value. Okay, so 2 I am writing. So then file, save, and go to output. See, this is the product ID and it covered these two columns. Okay, so now this product name is not needed, so I delete it, and instead of product ID I am writing the product details. So go to the notepad. Here I am putting the details, and then second heading, second column I have deleted. So let's see the output. What will be the output? Save and then go to the output page, refresh. See, now the first row, follow the first row. In first row only two columns. Okay, and in second row and third row three columns. So the first row, first column, that means this column, product details column, covered these two columns. Okay, so in this way, using call span we can expand our cells according to the columns. We can cover the specified number of columns. It is the call span. Now I am going to the row span. Okay, so go to the notepad and I am writing another heading here within the first row. Okay, this is the first row portion and th is specified here. So in third th, I am writing the row span. Row span equals to 2. Okay. And then I am writing here the discount. Suppose 10%. And close the th tag. Then save the file and go to the output. See, this is the one more. It will be 3 because 3 rows it is covering, so it will be 3. See, now I am creating a column in the first row, but this column expand up to this 3 rows. Okay, first row, second row, and third row. This is the first row, this is the second row, and this is the third row. Okay, these 3 rows it covers, so the row span equals to 3. How many rows you want to cover? This number of row you have to specify the value of the row span. Okay, so row span expand vertically and col span expand up to horizontally. Okay, col span expand to horizontally and row span expand to vertically. This is the difference. So using col span we can cover the cells, and using row span we can cover the cells, but it will be row wise, it will be vertically. So this is the difference. Okay, I am putting this to attribute in table header, but you can put also table data. I am putting here table data also. Now I am creating our next row. This is the fourth row, and in this fourth row I am creating our TD and writing col span. So how many columns are there now? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 columns are there. I am covering all columns. So I am writing the col span equals to 4. And close the angular bracket, and I am writing here the profit, suppose. Okay, so close the TD and close tier also. The fourth row tag you have to close, then save and go to the output, refresh. See, one more row already created, and in this row only one column is there, and this column covered the 4 columns. So col span equals to 4 I have written here. Okay, I have written here the col span equals to 4. So in this way, row span and col span you can put also TD. Okay, yeah, TD and TH both tags, in both tags you can apply these 2 attributes, and this is the very important part of the table making. So today's video up to this, next video for the next topic of the HTML. Thank you.